Want your photos to look better in just one tap? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a smart feature in the Gallery app that can automatically fix lighting, blur, and even details. It's called Remaster, and you don't even need an editing app to use it. Let me show you how it works. First, open Gallery app, and then choose a photo. Now, swipe up on the photo. If the picture can be improved, you will see a button that says Remaster. Go ahead and then tap Remaster. Your phone will process the photo and show you a side-by-side preview of the before and after. At the bottom, you will see small thumbnail. These highlight the areas that got improved. If you tap on one of those thumbnails, it will zoom in to show you exactly what changed, like sharper edges, reduced noise, or brighter colors. It's all done using AI, and the result can be really impressive. Once you are happy with the change, just tap Save at the bottom. Or if you want to keep the original, tap the three-dot icon at the bottom. And then tap Save Copy to save it to a new photo. Given to the function, the Remaster feature is a great way to give your old or dull photos a fresh new look with almost no effort. Whether it's vacation photos or indoor shot with bad lighting, this tool makes editing easy even for beginners. It's one of the coolest hidden features inside Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.